developing and extending our understanding of language learning and technology. We are now at the time in human development where digital technologies are making an increasingly significant contribution to language learning in many parts of the world. But not only technology is important. Teachers are central to what happens in the classroom because they have the knowledge and skills to find creative ways to support learners' language development. They not only must have a good knowledge of language, they have also developed their pedagogical content, knowledge, truth, experience and practice so they can develop a variety of tasks that meet the needs of their learners. When Vygotsky began his exploration that led to the development of sociocultural theory, he was interested in semiotic tools, like for example, language. The social shaping of technical cultural artifacts and the activities they are used for are embedded within the socio-cultural landscape of the moment of time of their production, but later also in the moment of time of their using to meet a particular need at a particular moment. Skype and SMS are some examples of technical cultural artifacts because they help teachers and learners engage in activity that is necessary for language development and at the same time allow language teaching to develop methodological. Activity theory proposes a particular combination of interacting elements that make a difference to the way we understand and interpret the world. For example, computer-assisted language learning (CALL) is tempered by its place in the world, its genesis as a discipline, the general contextual conditions it operates in, the actual specific situation of the class or task being undertaken. There were three phases of CALL: behavioral, communicative, and interactive. These were broadly related to the different phases of the development of language teaching methodology, and were also allied to different types of computer software. Behavioral methodology began equivalent with drill and practice software. The technical cultural artifacts can have impacts that are sometimes positive and sometimes more negative. Sometimes they can make a difference to the development of the world of language teaching, and sometimes they do not. This technology's role has been socially shaped within the field of language teaching, and language teaching has changed profoundly too. The development of materials that support and extend the classroom in a variety of ways, and we have seen the introduction of the notions of blended learning allowing more space in the regular classroom to do tasks and activities that are more relevant to the physical classroom. The roles that the technical cultural artifacts are playing are making a significant and important contribution to the development of the field and will make a real difference to how we understand language learning and the role of coding within it.